What is up, my nerds at home? My name is Samuel, and this is Nerd Time, where we do nerdy stuff and I look cool doing it. Welcome to Journey to the Savage Planet. I don't know what to expect. It's an old game, so it's going to be a part of Old Gold Wednesday. I hope you're ready to show you freaking savages. I'm kidding. I love you. Anyways, originally I did want to record BioShock on Twitch, but I can't. So, you know. Anyways, besides that, we're just going to do Journey to the Savage Planet because, you know what? I just want you. I was actually going to do Batman, but it's going to take forever, and I'm lazy to wait on it, so. Plus, I've been wanting to have a good excuse to play this game, because I've seen it, it looks interesting, and from what I hear, it's extremely brutal. Yikes. Anyway, let's get into it. Brand new profile. Okay. Oh, wait, go on. Alright, so there's normal or old games menu minus. Kick the old school with the limited. Okay, I know. I think I'm gonna go with the normal journey. There we go. Fourth best. So if I look over here, it's because my PC's actually recording everything. So you guys see, it's what I'm saying on my PC. Weird, huh? I also have a phone up here, so if I get some check. Oh, hello. Figured aerospace. Well, that's not good. I hate when I had to get up out of bed.
Hi, my name is Martin Tweed, President and CEO of Kindred Aerospace. Thank you for joining the Pioneer Program.
Oh, okay.
For almost 30 years, Kindred has been striving to help humanity expand beyond the confines of Earth. And I am excited to announce that many industry observers now consider us the fourth best interstellar exploration company.
Nice.
From our humble beginnings, manufacturing batteries and solar arrays for use in extreme climates, to our line of athletic footwear and chic survival apparel, we have been continually striving to drive humanity further from the bottom of the oceans and now to the stars. Our next step is to move beyond pure exploration and into settlement, which is why you are here. Our scientists have identified several planets that may be fit for human habitation. Yours is
ERY-26.
Oh, well, that's massive. I'm gonna die.
Your job is to explore the planet's surface, catalog its creatures, threats, and opportunities, and send your data back to our crack team of scientists here at Kindred for analysis. The more you discover, the more we'll be able to guide your experience and highlight objectives for you and your partner, if you have one. I should also mention that while every effort has been made to ensure a comfortable and safe journey, recent budget challenges plus the unknown natures of the obstacles you will face mean that we were unable to send you anything in the way of equipment. But don't stress.
So I am gonna die?
As your habitat comes equipped with a 3D printer that is more than capable of turning any old space trash you discover into useful items. One minor note. All the fuel in your Javelin was used in the journey from Earth and the landing on your planet. You will need to discover a local resource that you can refine into an appropriate fuel. Unless, of course, you decide to spend the rest of your life off Earth. But I don't want to take up too much of your time, and I'm sure you're very excited to explore. So I wish you good luck. We will send updates on your progress as you complete your scheduled surveys. Stay alive, and see you soon.
I mean, it's hard to argue with his assessment there.
Welcome. My name is Echo, and I'm here to help guide you on your mission. But first things first. Please log into the computer and fill out a teeny-weeny questionnaire, if you don't mind, so we can make sure you're not crazy.
Damn, I'm already losing this game, aren't I? This is rigged for the start. I mean, I literally got a skeleton in my bed. Don't worry about this string around his throat.
Please take the questionnaire on the computer. Otherwise, I can't open the door, or turn on the lights, or feed you.
Oh yeah, I was even doing that old freaking. You guys ever had like one of those old PCs and then you just like start up super fast, like. It's like that. Looks like you made it. Good job. As per your Kindred Employee Experience Program Benefits contract, you are contractually obligated to submit regular reports during your mission. Let's begin.
One of my jobs is to continually assess your mental state, and as space sickness has been an issue for some other recent explorers, could you please identify yourself from this gallery of faces?
Let's see. Do I want to be young David Bowie, a possible pedophile, Bob Ross before the perm, a nice little dog, this guy who looks like he should be in Revenge of the Nerds, possible crack addict, possible crack lady, the girl is just totally over it, this guy who's probably going to see the eyes of God very soon. I'm going to be the dog.
Thank you. I'm super glad you're not crazy.
Thank you for your time explored. J75X321. This is the end of the report. Please press the submit button. Okay. Welcome to your first day of your great adventure. We could not be more excited to welcome you to planet name here. As a key member of Kindred's quest to explore the stars, it's imperative that brave people such as yourself turn over every rock, scan every blade of grass, and dig precious crafting ingredients from in our of every beast you encounter. Why you want me to do this shit? So that our database may grow and humanity may continue to expand across the infinite reaches of space. Humanity has been trapped on Earth for an eternity of its existence. We can be bigger. We can be more. Help us get there. Sincerely yours, Martin Tweed, founder and CEO. I won't die.
Hi, my name is Martin Tweed, President and CEO of Kindred Aerospace. Thank you for joining the Pioneer program.
It's the same thing.
For almost 30 years, Kindred has been...
Yep, it's the same thing. Okay.
And now you're ready to explore. Please walk downstairs and step into the teleporter while I will discombobulate you and then recombine you outside on this glorious new planet.
Oh, great. Yeah, no, I didn't want to feel like I'm in more danger. Oh no, Subnautica below zero. Colonizer, first trophy.
So, welcome to ARY-26. It doesn't seem to be, well, a planet at all, really. More detonation of rocks. This mission just got 100% more interesting and about 50% more lethal. To aid in your exploration, the Javelin is equipped with several small, robotic drones that can perform basic scans of the world around you. Please launch them by opening the exterior hatch.
Okay, where's the exterior hatch? Oh, there we are. Boop. Hey, why is it working?
Great.
I
Now
won't
they'll
lie, that
provide
is something
you
I
with
do.
approximate locations of resources and important info. The Javelin's pretty banged up, but you'll need to scan the exterior to confirm the level of bang-uppedness. Do that now.
Hang up.
Don't forget to continually scan your surroundings. The camera will transmit data back to Kindred HQ.
Busted landing gear. Well, that's, yeah, that's a bunch of, fucking inaptitude.
This exterior panel must have been knocked loose on landing. I am adding a location marker to your compass. Please find it and scan it. If you lose your way, you can always hit the survey button to highlight its location again.
Let me know. Bait dispenser. Bait? Why does it need to be bait? Huh? You know, it's like I want to play Bug Snacks. Oh, hello.
Ah, there is our missing panel. Well done. In the future, whenever you need help finding your currently selected objective, you can use survey to orient yourself.
Am I actually a dog? I've actually... I didn't think it was gonna have an effect on my voice or anything. I just thought it was gonna... What the hell is this stuff?
A charmingly fragile crystal structure.
I don't know. What the hell are those?
Pufferbirds may not look it, but they're salty as hell. Aww, it's chilly.
Ah, girls, they like this stuff. Press square of slap or kick. Bitch!
Hey, look at that. You picked up some carbon. Good for you.
I didn't mean to kill him. What the hell? Oh, that's health essence. Okay, good. No.
I feel kind of bad. They're so cute and so full of juice.
Bitch!
Wow, that one was juicy. Bonus loot.
You have failed the vibe check. Let's slap this. No, I can't bitch slap it. Break, damn you! Break! What is this? Oh, I see. Why am I doing this? Oh, never mind. They are pretty vast numbers. Slap that ass. What was he doing?
Oh, grog. The only food in this universe that tastes exactly like it sounds.
Gross. I just want to slap something.
Every time you return to the Javelin, you automatically deposit any resources you were carrying. Anything you drop outside the javelin, however, will stay there until you go and grab it with your meat hands.
Oh, I was supposed to use the computer or something? Yeah, it's like raw bad. I'll need another hit from that. Alright. That was disgusting. Alright. And javelin damage. Oh, I'm still missing the part that I need to scan. I was just murdering things without hesitation. Look, I saw the weird chicken things, and then I just saw red, okay?
Ambient temperature 81 degrees. Biosigns nominal.
Oh, that could be a problem.
Fuel tanks are intact, but empty. If you can find a local fuel source, you'll be able to get back home. If you can't, congratulations, you're home already. The javelin is basically intact, but in need of minor repairs. If we ever want to relaunch. Oh, the cartographers found an alien alloy we could maybe use to repair the ship. Let me mark it. Nice work! You already have the required amount of carbon to craft a highly functional base-level Nomad plasma pistol. The 3D printer inside the javelin is ready for your input.
Okay, great.
You can craft an upgrade, if you wanna.
I want to craft a gun.
Meat scraps back and gristle finding its way to your trash? What a waste! Or even worse, the toilet? Disgusting! Put a smile on your face using your meat waste with Meat Buddy, the reconstituted cuddly companion from Slimo. Just take your animal-based waste products, rotten flesh, and laboratory-grown protein and simply toss in the hopper. Choose your new best friend will emerge, ready to cuddle. Meat Buddy, the
Oh,
snuggly
hell
buddy from
no.
Slimo.
That's freaky. I can make a meat buddy, but I don't wanna.
Now you've got a weapon. The single most important tool for any colonizer.
It's an offense against anything that wants to hurt you. Can I mean anything? Alright, so if I want to get like an improved damage upgrade, I'm gonna need 100 bits of that carbon. Oh boy, here I go, backhanding chickens again. I'm just officially okay with just sucking.
Ambient temperature 92 degrees. Biosigns nominal.
You gotta be a little
Ah,
generous.
yes. You've discovered Grob's hidden anti-nutritional value.
I didn't think they were gonna kill him. Freak! Oh, yeah, cool. I can reload. I never seen that though. Freaking triangles your reload button. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Okay, we're going prey on this shit.
It may sound weird, but do you see a large tower looming above you?
Yeah.
I only asked because my system appears to be functioning correctly, but our initial scan said there should be no sign of intelligent life here at all, and that appears to directly contradict this idea. I will contact your superiors immediately. One moment, please.
What's this?
Looks to be a plant that's anchored itself to the environment. If you have a grapple, this is where you'd fire it. I'm working on a blueprint for you now.
Okay, great to know.
I I have received an urgent message regarding the tower from our president and CEO, which is available for your viewing pleasure at the Habitat. Please return as soon as you have a moment.
Hey,
I am
Tim.
detecting a nearby organic compound which may be useful on our exploration efforts. Please scan it.
You think these guys are edible? Actually, I'm gonna shoot one and see if it's gonna try to kill me.
Looks like it's gonna pop. Might want to get back.
Oh! Great, I got like 10 silicone from him. I guess I can make more upgrades. Your favorite closet? My food. Rob contains 9 classes. Okay, I'm not gonna read that.
Now that's metal. This fungazoid sports several spongy, porous pom-pom pods. This plant's berries are edible and slightly hallucinogenic. As with all edibles, take it slow.
Okay, so it's that red guy that explodes.
Big Daddy, head honcho, no jefe.
Eat him! Yeah, that one down.
Goodbye, and thank you for your service.
Well, I'm dead.
Hey guys, Samuel here. Hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of Journey to the Savage Planet. Like I said, this is also on my Twitch. So, if you guys want to go and check that out, it will be in the description down below. I know this is a shorter video for a game like this, and yes, I do want to play it to completion. Do not question my methods on how I do this, okay? I just really want a longer run series, okay? Because I don't do much with my editing, as you all know. If you've been a part of the channel for a long time, you know that I am not the best at editing. This is how I get better with it. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Nerd on.